Can you change audio on Instagram Reel after posting? In order to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Instagram. Once you have the updated version, simply open it, enter a login credential, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Now move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply move into your Reel section and move into one of the Reel video that you have posted before. So this is one of the Reel video that I have posted. If you want to change the audio, click on this three dot over here. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but you can see that there is no any option or the feature where you can change the audio of your Reel after posting. Also, if you move into this option, you can only see the feature where you can use the audio of the Reel that you have posted, which means that you cannot change the audio after posting the Reel video. So what you can do is, you can simply delete the Reel video and then post it again. Choose the audio that you would like to add, and after that, you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.